Hello and welcome to Weekend Investing Daily Bites. We are shooting episode 101. So we're going to talk about a issue on bonus shares that happened today. Some users were unable to rebalance in a particular strategy, and I'll go through the technicalities of how you should deal with bonus shares and if there's a rebalance immediately after the announcement or the record date, and how to manage this in this small case. We'll see this after we take a look at the markets. So the Nifty was up at one point and the Bank Nifty actually was much stronger. However, Nifty gave up most of the gains, and broadly the larger part of the market was subdued. So they were again a sectoral shift where autos were running up higher. IT stocks took a huge beating. Let me see if I have the sectoral indices. They are not updating, so we'll leave that. But IT stocks, pharma, FMCG, they were all softer, and automotive stocks, Maruti, Tata Motors, etc., they were on the rise. Some paper stocks were on the rise, and in general there was a sort of a mismatch with the uptrend that we were seeing in the indices, and it was a pretty lackluster day. In terms of the weekend investing small cases also, most of the strategies ended between plus 0.5% to minus 0.5%. LTC Next 200 ended much lower at minus 1.5%. So even in large cap space, which LTC Next 200 plays in, there were some pockets of softness. But I mean, really nothing lost really. Nifty is still trading at near all-time highs. Bank Nifty is also at near all-time highs. We are awaiting more cues from this quarter's results in the next month. September and October are seasonally not the best months for the market, but we have done well so far. Let's see how the next few weeks will be. So let's come back to the topic of the day. So what is a bonus issue and how to manage this in a small case? Let's see that. So I hope you can see this is big enough. Okay. So there was a stock, APL Apollo, in one of these strategies, and this stock had gone ex bonus just a few days back. Actually not a few days back, about 11 days back, and 16th September is the date, and the bonus shares have not arrived in the demat accounts yet. However, there was a rebalance and this stock was getting exited. So let's go through this document. Is the query basically is that during a rebalance, the sell order for a stock APL Apollo, which was supposed to exit the portfolio, it returned an error message which read, sufficient shares may not be available in your holding to place the sell order. Now you've noticed that the small case portal is displaying more number of shares of the same stock as compared to your broker holding. So in case you are holding 15 shares of APL Apollo and it was a 1:1 bonus, then small case is asking you to sell 30. However, your broker is still showing 15. So that there will be a mismatch and there will be a error in the order. So you will see some error like this, that sufficient holdings are not available for the APL Apollo, etc. So what has happened here is that a bonus issue has been announced by the company. What is a bonus issue? It is basically an accounting entry where you get more shares based on the shares that you've already held, and there is a process to it. So company basically issues shares, additional shares in some ratio. So maybe 1:1 or 2:1, 3:1, 5:1, 3:2, whatever may be the ratio that the company decides. Let's assume you had 25 shares of stock ABC prior to a bonus issue, and you bought them at a price of 160. So you have invested 4,000 rupees, and now you get a bonus issue of 1:1. So your number of shares will go double, because you've got one share for every one share held. So you'll get 25 new shares for the 25 you are holding. So your total shares will be 50. Now the cost of the new shares is 0 to you. You bought the earlier ones at 160, but the new shares are coming in at 0 cost to you. So your purchase price for the entire bunch of 50 will now be at 80 rupees. Right? So quantity has gone double, price has gone half, your investment value remains the same at 4,000. In case the bonus issue was 2:1, then for 25 shares held, you would have got 50 more shares, 2 for every 1. And your total shares will now be 75. Your average price of holding will be 53 rupees some paisa. If it was 4:1, you would get 100 new shares for your 25 holding, and total number of shares will be 125, and your average holding cost will be 32 rupees. Again, the investment value will remain the same. Right? So now if you were to apply this so now this small case accounting happens on the X date. So there is a date announced by the exchange. On that date, if you are holding the stock, you will get the bonus shares, and that is called the record date. X date is a date before record date, where if you buy the stock, you will get the bonus shares for sure. And post that X date, you will not get the bonus shares. So that is the sort of time frame that is required for going from one set of shareholders, so for the company to decide who to send these bonus shares to, because every day new shareholders are coming, old shareholders are going away in the demat record. So they have to make a cutoff that on this date, whoever is on the record, we will issue bonus shares to them. Now for that to happen, because settlement also takes 2 days, the exchange will keep the X date about 2 days prior to the record date, so that anybody buying on Monday should get delivery on Wednesday, and if Wednesday is the record date, then they get the bonus shares. Right? So in general, bonus shares allotment can take up to 14 days from the X date. So what can happen? That you bought the stock and you are entitled to get the bonus, but it may take some time for that to come to you. But small case accounting has already doubled your shares. So let's go further in this example. So the reason for the error, there is a bonus issued for APL Apollo on September 16th in the ratio 1:1. This means that for every 1 share of APL Apollo you hold, you will receive 1 extra bonus shares. That is clear. Now let's say you had 15 shares of APL Apollo. So with 1:1 bonus, you are liable to get 15 additional shares, and you will have total of 30. Now your small case account will reflect this change on the X date. So let's say X date was 16th September. So on 16th September, your small case back office has accounted for the additional shares, but your broker, let's say Zerodha, is waiting for those shares to come from the registrar into the account so that they can update, and that can take up to 14 days. So what is happening is that there is a mismatch between the sync between the small case accounting and your broker accounting. Now meanwhile, before your shares got credited to your account in 14 days roughly, there was a rebalance in which APL Apollo was exited, like today. So now what is happening? Small case is trying to set up your rebalance in such a way that all 30 should sell. Whereas your excuse me, your broker is telling you that no, we have only 15 and there is insufficient holding for you to sell 30. So there is a mismatch there. So you will get two types of errors in this scenario. One is mismatch in the number of shares. Small case is trying to sell 30 but your broker has 15. And because we are selling something and buying something else in the rebalance, if you are not able to sell your selling stock, you have insufficient balance for the buying stock also. So there are two types of errors which will happen. One is you are not able to sell because of insufficient holding, and two, because you are not able to sell, you are not able to buy the stocks that you are going to buy. So what is the solution for this? So you may execute the buy orders of the rebalance now and execute the sell orders once the quantities are updated in your broker holdings. So this is the solution. So there are two steps to it. One is you add additional funds to your broker account and execute the buy orders by repairing the order, and the buy orders will go through. Then you wait for your broker holdings to get updated, and the day the holdings are updated along with the bonus shares, you again repair the order and execute the sell on that day. So it is inconvenient and this jugglery is unnecessary actually, but because of this mismatch of timing of the stocks coming from the registrar to the demat, and for the small case updating the accounting, and for the small case manager having had to have a rebalance with the sell, this confusion comes together. So this is the solution for it. In case you have still any question about it, please send us mail. We have sent detailed mail about this process also to many users who have sent a mail today. But in case you are not clear, do send us a mail and we'll make sure that you are up to date on what to do in this scenario. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll bring in more such videos which will update your knowledge about the operations of small case and how you should be rebalancing, etc. in future videos. Thank you. Bye.